Have you ever wondered why the West Philippine Sea remains a hot topic of international dispute? Today, we dive into the turbulent waters of this geopolitical issue, tracing its roots and examining its impact on the global stage. Our journey starts in the aftermath of World War II. The San Francisco Treaty of 1951, which formally ended the Pacific War, left the ownership of the Spratly Islands and Scarborough Shoal ambiguous. These territories, rich in natural resources, quickly became points of contention between the Philippines, China, and other Southeast Asian nations. In the years that followed, the tensions escalated. The 1970s saw China and Vietnam engaging in military confrontations over the Paracel Islands, while the Philippines started to assert its rights over the Spratly Islands. By the 1980s, the situation had grown more complex, with Malaysia and Brunei also staking their claims. In the 21st century, the dispute took a turn for the worse. In 2012, a standoff between Chinese and Philippine vessels at Scarborough Shoal marked a new low in relations. China's subsequent construction of artificial islands and military installations in the disputed territories further strained ties. This conflict reached the International Court in 2016, when the Philippines won a landmark case against China at the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague. The court invalidated China's 9-line claim that encompasses much of the South China Sea, including parts of the West Philippine Sea. Despite this ruling, the situation remains tense. China continues to assert its claims, causing friction not only with the Philippines but also with other nations with vested interests in the region. To summarize, the West Philippine Sea issue is a complex dispute rooted in post-World War II ambiguities. It has evolved over the decades into a significant geopolitical concern, involving multiple nations and impacting global relations. The landmark ruling in 2016 in favor of the Philippines marked a crucial turning point, yet the conflict persists due to China's continued assertions. The stakes are high, with the contested territories rich in natural resources and strategically located. As this issue unfolds, it continues to shape the geopolitical landscape of Southeast Asia and beyond. So, the next time you hear about the West Philippine Sea, remember that it's not just about territorial claims. It's about history, international law, geopolitics, and the complex interplay of national interests on the global stage.